Alright folks, what I want to do today is I want to try to accomplish hanging up my green screen. You can see right there's my string right here, which I usually hang it off of. But what I want to do now is I want to take, and this is how high it's got to be, and I actually want to attach something to the wall over there, and or maybe just the ceiling. I got to figure out where, and have it come down to about here, and then have the roller on it right in here so I can pull the screen up and down, but I want it to be back in here so that I can hide all my junk out of the way when I'm wanting to green screen. So that is what I'm going to be working on. One of the first things I got to do is I want it to come down right about here so it will go in behind the table. Alright, so we'll call that straight up, but we're going to be at a slight angle going this way. So we're going to want it to be just about 26 inches from the ceiling. So I'm going to need two pieces at 26. We know that's to come down. Or actually, I'll do 24, and then I can nail it up to the bottom of it. So two pieces at 24. And then I'm going to need another piece to nail across the ceiling to hang it onto, which those can be just small pieces also. So I need 4. We'll figure it out. Let's show you what I got. So I got this. I got me perforated PVC pipe and a 10-foot 2x4. These are both 10 feet. This 2x4 fits inside of that, so that should allow me to roll on it, but I don't really need to have to go the whole length. It'll be strong enough to hold up that that green screen, so I actually only need to come into it, you know, like a foot or so on each end. That way there'll also be less friction, and it will be easier to roll up. But so we figured I needed 24.5 to come down, so I'm going to need two 24.5s. And then we'll figure out what we got left over, because this is the only 2x4 I bought. I may have to go get another one. I don't know. I hope not, but I might have to. And we'll go from there. One thing I couldn't do is I couldn't find no screws, so we're going to do this kind of the old-fashioned way. Alright, so this is going to come, these are all 2 feet. So we want that to go across so that it can go up the wall. Alright, how we do that? Side. Well, half of one for the other side anyways. Get it lined up. We're going to want this like so. table and the thing. So it's gonna go up kind of like that, but we want this centered. And the best way to make sure that that's gonna go up the way it is to do this, get it level, so it's in between. Right there looks good, but unfortunately, silly Errol didn't bring the right stuff in with him. I go get it. Alright, what I had to do was bring my air compressor in. So, let's try this again. That is right about where I want it. So, I don't know if there's any screws in there or not. I don't care about the wall, so that'll hold it up temporarily. Oops, probably gonna have to do that. And then, whew, I just was not prepared for doing this, was I? Will this table hold me? Glory up the wall. Create the ceiling. Over there. And I'm out of nails. Whoops. Load her up. Load her up, I said. That slid up, not a big deal. Load her up. Release it. Nail it, nail it. I know there's a 2x. Then there should be one right. Now what we got is my PVC pipe. And as you'll see, if I can get this around here, hopefully you can't see around me, can you? Let me see if I do this like this. I'll just go right over like that and allow me to spin it. But before I can put up this end of it, I need to find a way to attach the green screen to it. Got a couple ideas, not sure which one's gonna work. So, the idea is to actually get this out here like this, take the PVC pipe, kind of do this with it. Get off it, Edgar. And then see if I can get you down here a little bit more so you can see. And then there's a line along this that I can put right in with the preparations, and then put some wood on it like this and screw it, which will probably work. I just gotta test if, yep, that's what I gotta do. I got to test and see if the wood will hold to it by just screwing some screws through wood into that. Sheetrock screws, which should do the trick, should do the trick. Do is we'll put this there, just get it started. Oops, oopsie. Then we'll just take it. Can you see that? No, you can't. Alright, now pull this over here. Take this and go like this. And I think that will hold plenty. Plenty strong enough. Okay. So now let's move this down here a little bit. Now this is a little bit longer than what I needed, so we're going to take my handy dandy PVC saw. And we're going to cut it off. Now what I got to do is I need to know how far that is right there away from that wall. Oh, that was the camera. Well, and now where'd the camera go? There it is. Did I break it? Nope. The green screen hung up. And there you have it, my somewhat green screen thingamadoodle builder. I can't spin it right now, but I can at least fold it up out of the way. And we're back again. The problem I got with this thing is I can't really roll it up now the way I wanted to, because I got screws right there that actually go down and hit this 2x4 because there's no room. So thinking I just gotta take those screws out of each end and then it'll be able to roll because it's got the same thing down there. Out. Going between it and the wood. Ta-da! Now I can actually roll my green screen up out of the way. Pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like, subscribe.